Today, we will be creating a beautiful summer goddess eye. Firstly, use the flat brush from the Eyes of Horus brush kit to apply the colour Chalice Bronze from the Isis Sun Goddess palette and press onto the mobile lid. Next, use the blending brush to sweep the colour Dark Dynasty Brown Matte from the Matte Dark Temptress palette through the eye socket, blending upwards and outwards. This will open up the eye area and create depth. Next, apply the highly pigmented smoky black goddess pencil along and into the lash line. Use the angled brush to smudge the line out and create some smokiness. Use the cream eye pencil in the waterline to brighten and open the eyes. A cream pencil will take away any redness and make you look more awake. Next, using the bullet brush, apply the lightest colour Enigma Mist from the Isis Sun Goddess palette. Add the Eyes of Horus Goddess mascara to really open up the eyes and complete the look. Lastly, finish off with the Freya Rose lipstick, passionate rose tones that attract and captivate.